Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and today I thought I would update you on why we haven't finished the cab mounts yet. I know initially in the original video I said that I would have the next video out Thursday or Friday. Well, now it's Tuesday, and still no video. Well, the reason is because, one, we were waiting on parts, probably got stuck on the boat from China, and I didn't get it until yesterday, and that was the upgraded cab mounts for the rear. So we have those now. And also, it rained most of last week, and so we didn't get a chance to work on it because nobody wants to get under the truck when it looks like this outside. And as you can see, it's raining again today, and I believe it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So that video is happening. It just hasn't happened yet. What we still have left to do is get the radiator support mounts in. We ordered those, and then get this other side done, and then we'll do a full test driving. Now, one thing that I have noticed since we did get these two on here on this side is it has been a noticeable difference so far. Now when I hit bumps, all the noise of the cab sounding like it's going to fall off is on the other side of the truck now. It's not through the whole thing. So we have made an improvement. So I'm looking forward to getting the rest of that on. But that's all I wanted to do, is just update you guys on the cab mounts. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.